Hello, welcome back to this new video for you. In the previous videos, we were discussing about different morphological image processing operations like erosion, dilation, opening and closing. In this video, we are going to see how we can use these operations in a practical example in MATLAB. We are going to see a practical application and I'm going to teach you how to understand, how to see visually from an image and in which applications, in which operations we should use one of these operations we have been studying until this video, okay? This is the application that we are going to face in this video today. So I just want to, let's suppose we are dealing in a situation in which we want to identify a person based on his fingerprint. But we need, before applying complex pattern recognition algorithm to identify to which person belongs this fingerprint example we have here, we need first to apply pre-processing operations like morphological image processing we have been discussing. So on that way, we need to enhance this image before applying in our system, before applying other operations. So in this case, this exercise is asking to us to apply morphological operation to remove image noise and enhance the ridges of the fingerprint. So which noise we are talking about? We are talking about this type of noise we have in the background. We have white spots in the background and this noise is undesirable. We need to remove using morphological image processing. And also we need to remove this type of noise which is in the ridges of the fingerprint, this type of black spot on the lines of the fingerprint. We can appreciate here how many dark points we have. And we desire to enhance this region. We desire to look much better in order to improve our system. Okay, so now let's get inside MATLAB and see which is the process we need to take to enhance this image. Here in MATLAB, we're going to see how to solve the previous problem I showed you, okay? So first, I'm just going to show you the original image. I'm going just to run the code until here. And I think it's better until here. Let's run it, okay? And we have here the original image I showed you before. So right now, I just want to ask you something. Do you know some morphological operation in order to remove this background noise? Do you have some idea? Because let's get started for this, okay? Let's first try to remove this background noise we have and see what's going to happen. If we analyze previously, if we are smart enough to apply erosion operation using a structural element that is bigger than these white points we have from the background, we can ensure this operation will remove this noise over here. So I'm just going to show you a structural element I created here. Okay, we have a structural element which is a matrix 3 by 3 of ones values, and this structural element is bigger than these points we have over here. Okay, so let's run the next step on the code and see what's going to happen. Okay, we have run and let's run it. Okay, we have here the result of applying an erosion over the original image. Okay, as we can see, all of the majority of the noise from the background were removed. Okay, so but now we have another problem. If you realize, we can see that these fingerprint ridges are thinner than this one. Okay, we have, and also if you notice, we have much bigger dark spots in the fingerprint ridges. Okay, so what operation that you know already can we apply in order to improve this image we have here? Probably you may be thinking about dilation. Yes, if we apply dilation, this problem, the new problems that took place right now, will be probably eliminated. Just let's check it out, what's going to happen then. So I'm just going to run again the following line. Okay, we have just applied, we are here, we have just applied dilation, and now I'm going to show what is the result. Okay, we have here the result. This is the opening of the original image, okay, and we have now the ridges of the fingerprint better than the previous image. However, if you look closer, you can see that we have new gaps between the fingerprint ridges. We have new gaps around here. I'm just highlighting some areas that have gaps that in the original image didn't exist. So on that way, which operation do you think can we apply in order to join those gaps? I think it's gonna be better if we apply again a dilation in order to join these gaps we have here. Okay, so let's apply a dilation. I'm just going to run the next following line. Okay, dilation here. I'm just going to show again, and here we have the dilation of the opening. Okay, as can you see, the majority of the breaks were restored after this dilation. But we are facing another problem again. We are facing the problem that these ridges were thickened. These ridges are bigger than the original one, okay? And probably if we trying to discover which person if this belongs to this fingerprint, probably the system will fail. So we need to ensure that we need to ensure a better appearance with the original image. On that way, you probably may thinking in applying an erosion, because an erosion will reduce the size of these fingerprint ridges. Okay, so let's apply an erosion and see what's going to happen. I'm running for the next line. I'm showing right now, and here we have the closing of the opening. Okay, we have the closing of the opening because we first apply opening because we apply an erosion and dilation, and then we apply a dilation and later an erosion. So we are talking about two operations you already know. We are talking about opening and closing. So this is a combination of an opening and then a closing operation. Sometimes it's also called a filter, morphological filter. So this result is much better than this original image, and we try to keep the features that we were losing through the process. So we remove the background noise, and as you can notice, also these dark spots on the ridges were also eliminated, and this is a much better result. Okay, however, there are some details that didn't restore very well after this process, but that's possible to restore in more sophisticated techniques for you. But on this way, our system will identify much better the person than using this image that we have just prepared than using the original image for you. Okay, I hope you like this video. Any doubts you may have, probably I suggest you to make contact with me. I really appreciate any doubts, any comments, and I just want to wish you the best in image processing applications in your life. Okay, so bye bye.